Tesla to the moon, Tesla to the moon, Tesla to the moon, Tesla to the moon. Feel good investing, y'all. You did. What's crack-a-lacking, y'all? This Feel Good with Feel Good Investing. I came across a company yesterday using the FinViz screener, ticker symbol ISR. This company has a lot of potential, in my opinion, just for the fact they are a therapeutic company that's focusing on cancer and treating all types of cancer with their new invention that they created. I'm on the Benzinga Pro desktop, and I just want to share with you what went through the news feed. ISR shares are trading higher after the company announced it received the FDA 510K clearance for the use of the C4 imaging series positive signal MRI markers with the ISR cesium-131 brachytherapy seeds. Just focus on the brachytherapy seeds right here. They created like literally seeds. I don't know if it's mechanical or digital or if it's like real seeds, but they created seeds that's highly radioactive. So instead of going through chemo, you could just swallow these seeds and it can attack the tumors and the cancerous tissues that's inside the body. So let's go over to their website and see exactly what they tackle. See, they tackle the prostate cancer, they tackle malfunctions in the brain, head and neck, lung, cesium for prostate cancer, the brachytherapy, acceptable side effects compared to other treatments, less impact on the urinary function than surgery, high degree of sexual function reported at 3-year follow-up, 45 minutes to 1 hour for complete implant, hospitalization rarely required, first ultrasound guided implant performed in 1985, while local control rates up to 99% of patients in long-term studies. That's good information right there. A decade of data shows that the value of cesium blue brachytherapy for prostate cancer treatment. The publication reported a study series of 571 patients who were treated with cesium blue cesium-131 prostate brachytherapy at the Chicago, Illinois Prostate Cancer Center by Radiation Oncology, whatever. The overall group was composed of 55% low risk, 36% intermediate risk, and 9% high risk localized prostate cancer patients as defined by National Comprehensive Cancer Network guidelines. That's pretty good. The overall 10-year biochemical success rate for the entire group was 96.2. It was the largest and longest followed series of cesium blue treatment patients reported to date. This is why I think this has a major upside and can go easily. You know, it's $1. How much is it? It's trading currently at $1.31. I can see this easily going to $5 to $10 within this month and this year if everything goes right. Man, who knows? So they also treat brain tumors. How many people you know or heard of that had brain tumors and the people that died from it? This is unbelievable what they are doing. Cesium-131 delivers highly effective radiation dose to the tumor bed. Like, instead of going through the chemo microwave oven, you can just swallow these or implant these brachytherapy seeds, and it can do exactly what the chemo's supposed to do, just less harmful. The results of our study suggest that a surgical resection of the intraoperative CS131 brachytherapy is able to stabilize and improve the neurocognitive function for patients with metastatic brain tumors by improving control of brain tumors and avoiding the toxicity of WBRT. This is good information, y'all. I'm not nowhere near close to the medical field, so a lot of these terms and multi-syllable words, they are new to me. I got an idea what they mean though. I just feel like that this company would do great in the near and long term. Now, if you was to research this company and read, Wall Street analysts' opinions about it, like whether to buy and sell and where they project this company to go, they have no clue on, where this could go. Cause I went on Investor Observatory, a website I'm subscribed to, and they actually don't recommend this stock, but then at the same time they say to buy this stock. So I don't really like to base my judgment on what Wall Street says, because Wall Street been wrong about Tesla like they whole life, and Tesla made them look like idiots since they've been around, since Tesla was on the market. So that's why you just can't put all your trust and faith into these Wall Street analysts and experts. So they treat lung cancer, head and neck cancer. It seems like they treat all cancer. They trying to kill it. And everybody know how we feel about cancer. Cancer. Cancer is the number one killer in my perspective of all diseases. I think it's worse than AIDS. COVID-19. It's worse than all that, just for the simple fact you don't know where it comes from, you don't know how to prevent it, and it's not a cure for it. But it seems like this company here is, damn near close to solving that problem. The brachytherapy seed seemed like it's a success. They got clearance from the FDA, and I just wanted to share with y'all about the findings of this company. And I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to invest. I'm just putting stuff on your radar. You got to trade with your own money and your own mind. Do your due diligence and research the company. So yeah, I think this is a good play. Like I said, if you want to add it to your portfolio, I'm invested in it. I got 900 shares of it as of right now. I'm thinking about adding more. Let me show you this real quick before I end this video. They have a BioConnect conference this month. The virtual conference will be held January 11th through the 14th. You can sign up here at this link right here. I think after this date, I think the stock will shoot up after the 14th, or like either by the end of the month. I think it will, just for the fact that we'll have a little bit more analysis on the company, more information on it, and let's just hope for the best. I hope this do numbers, because I feel like any cancer therapeutic related company will basically turn around a lot of people's lives for those who are investing in it. Because once again, cancer is the number one killer of all diseases. I don't know if that's how, I don't know what the numbers show that, but just in my opinion, how many people die from cancer, I think that's the number one killer. And so with that being said, when you invest, and make sure you feel good while you're doing it. And I'm out.